Good evening, friends. We welcome you in our today's live session on why we call newspaper as a storehouse of knowledge and its contribution in shaping lives, which is hosted by children's most favorite newspaper, Student Edge. As we all know that in today's digital era, children are more engaged into playing games in laptops, computers, and searching, browsing over the mobiles, etc. But those searches and gamings won't help them in gaining the knowledge and to become a genius. It's a reading newspaper which will help the kids in gaining more knowledge and will help them in their studies and winning the competitions. So now let's understand why newspaper is called as the storehouse of knowledge and how it contributes in shaping children's life. This session is going to be conducted by Dr. Jasmine Walia, who is senior faculty at Vision IAS. Dr. Jasmine is a dentist by profession and she is teaching UPSC Civil Services aspirants since 4 years. Now, without taking more time, I would request Dr. Jasmine to take over from here.
So good evening, all of you. My name is Dr. Jasmine Walia, and today we are all here to talk a little bit about this topic, why we call newspapers as storehouse of knowledge and its contributions in shaping lives. So the idea here is that all the parents and the children also, they always are in that pursuit to achieve something extra. कि हाँ पढ़ाई तो हम कर रहे हैं, हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं, हम अपने एग्जाम्स कर रहे हैं, हम अपने बुक किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं, बट व्हाट आर दी अदर थिंग्स विच आर नीडेड. क्योंकि जब भी हम बात करते हैं बच्चों की, द थिंग इज दैट यू टॉक अबाउट होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट, you talk about ideas beyond those books, and we want those to be instilled in children. And how can we do that? बहुत सारी और चीज़ों के साथ साथ एक बहुत कॉमन चीज़ है, आई एम श्योर सबको बचपन से और अभी भी एवरीबडी is supposed to be reading the newspaper, right? This is one thing कि हाँ न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना चाहिए, सबको पढ़ना चाहिए, but how is its significance particularly there when it comes to children? जब हम बच्चों की बात कर रहे हैं, school going children, so how is the fact that how is this newspaper going to be molding their life, या फिर उसमें क्या क्या impact हो सकता है, हम इस तरीके से different facets पे बात करेंगे. Let's first talk about the role this newspaper can play. So if children are reading these newspapers, तो उस newspaper का क्या क्या impact हो सकता है. So I've just noted some points here. The first one is that they get an idea about what is happening around them. Now, children, they know a lot from the curriculum which they are reading. But that's more of, an exam-based learning. कि हम बच्चों को सिखा रहे हैं, so they're learning it as answers. कि okay, we have 2 marks answers, 5 marks answer, and I've learned this, and I'll go and reproduce that in the exam. But what about things beyond those boundaries of the books, or things beyond writing that 2-marker or 5-mark answer? They need to know what is going on in other parts of the world. They need to know what's happening in technology. They need to know how the culture, the festivals of a country are going on, about the leaders of the country, about the major scientists of the world, not just the country, of the world. So if there is a student who is reading that newspaper, you will feel that he is well versed with that. क्योंकि ये हमने अगर बचपन में start किया develop करना, then it will go on to create adults which are well aware, which have worldly knowledge, which have better ideas, and it gives them an advantage in a way that it becomes talking points. You have more to talk about. So there is this child who can maybe talk to you about coral bleaching or presence of corals in Australia. You might find it strange, but if a child is interested, maybe after years of reading into those topics, maybe around the environment, he goes on to become an environment scientist, right? So we want the child to have a better idea of the world. That will be the first point. The second is command over language. Now see, करिकुलर में या जो नॉर्मल प्रोसेस है, there is a limitation to how much reading practice they get. And a lot of students, a lot of children, they have different levels of reading abilities. So if they are doing any kind of extra reading, that means it is bound to improve their language, because it will give them an exposure to better words, newer words. They'll have a varied amount of varied types of writing styles ko familiar honge wo, and there's control over that language. And when I say language, I mean both the things. So you have the reading part, and then of course you have your writing skills also. Both of these are going to be significantly worked upon. क्योंकि अगर आप रीड कर रहे हो अलग अलग चीजें, सो दैट मीन्स कि वो अल्टीमेटली आपकी राइटिंग में भी रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, particularly in writing descriptive things like maybe writing essays or long stories. तो उसके लिए न्यूज़पेपर जैसी चीज जिसमें एक elaborate content formation है, that becomes very very significant. So we have the language part here, we have the writing part here, then it brings a wide content for new ideas. So there might be a child who might have read something about recycling activity happening somewhere. So that could give him a new idea कि हाँ ठीक है, ये भी एक चीज है, and this is what I should be applying, this is what I should be using. So he might apply that. Or maybe a student has read something about drones. Okay, that drone technology is being used by the government somewhere or in some scientific endeavor. So उसको आइडिया आ सकता है कि हाँ मैं भी ऐसा कुछ बनाऊं या मैं भी ऐसा कुछ सोचूं. द पॉइंट इज कि हमें स्टिम्युलेट करना है to students to get new ideas. Maybe they read about a town which is near the place they live and they have no idea about that town, and then they can learn about that town, they can learn about what is important, or maybe their own city also, right? Ki there is a city in which mining activity is very predominantly done, but in your normal school curriculum it doesn't really come across. पर वो newspaper में पढ़ रहा है, उसको पता चल रहा है कि हाँ my city has mining activity or my city has leather industry. So it will give him a little better view and also give him new ideas. जो एक एस्पेक्ट है कि हम वी वॉन्ट आवर किड्स टू बी क्रिएटिव, वी वॉन्ट इनोवेशन टू हैपन, हाउ इज दैट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट? हाउ इज द चाइल्ड गोइंग टू जस्ट सिट एंड थिंक अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स? उसको कुछ एक्सटर्नल स्टिम्युलेशन चाहिए. वो एक्सटर्नल स्टिम्युलेशन उसको ऐसे ही मिल रहा है when he is reading about new things, and in new things also we want कि उसको diversified topics मिले. ऐसा नहीं कि हम उसको सिर्फ साइंस के बारे में हम चाहते हैं पढ़ना, या हम चाहते हैं कि ठीक है वो सिर्फ आर्ट्स के बारे में पढ़े. वी वॉन्ट कि सब तरह के आइडियाज एक होलिस्टिक फ्रंट पे जो है स्टूडेंट्स को मिले, राइट? और न्यूज़पेपर से बेटर सोर्स है ही नहीं. एक न्यूज़पेपर इतना कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव है कि इट्स गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट politics, it's going to talk about geography, it's going to talk about world relations, it's going to talk about the environment. All the aspects are going to be covered in one area, right? And when your child is reading all of that, uska apna analytical ability bhi develop ho raha hai, because he will be picking out articles, he will be choosing it, and it's not that he's just absorbing that news and he's just memorizing or reading it. He's going to think about it, he's going to analyze about it. और जितनी हम उसको diversified ideas content हम दे सकते हैं, उतना we are going to stimulate the fact that the child now develops that analysis. And analysis होगा, कुछ उसके दिमाग में questions आएंगे, it is going to stimulate his critical thinking, and he is going to go on further. अगर हम ये एक habit डेवलप कर सके कि आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो, तो ऑब्वियसली सालों तक ये पढ़ने में उसका एनालिसिस और अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ डिफरेंट न्यूज आइटम्स, ऑफ डिफरेंट हैपनिंग्स अराउंड हिम इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी वैलिड. एंड वी वांट दैट एबिलिटी. इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू आस्क 30-year-old person to say कि ओके अभी तुम एनालिसिस डेवलप कर लो. इफ यू हैव दैट ऑप्शन, and we want to do that well, the best part is कि उसको बचपन से ही हम instill कर रहे हैं, right? And these are not just words कि आपने बोल दिया कि ठीक है analytical ability develop कर दो, critical thinking develop कर दो. It has to come through a process. It has to be conditioned through the years, and we have the newspaper to do that. After that, very important point, very significant point, that it is a recreation activity. बच्चों के साथ सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम इस चीज पे है कि they find it difficult to concentrate and they get bored. It's not everything is exciting to them, right? तो आप उनको बोल रहे हो ठीक है आज तुमको साइंस पढ़ना है सुबह से लेके शाम तक. The child will also after a point of time feel कि however good he is at that, but he needs a break. और breaking के लिए I always say this, the disastrous state of affairs today is that we have most of the things which are on the electronic medium, right? The child would want to play some game or something like that. So if in place of that, if we can give him something, some activity, जो उसका break भी है, लेकिन साथ के साथ एक productive activity भी है. Right? He's learning something also, some aspects of his personality are being developed, and at the same time it is a recreation activity. हमें इसको इस तरह से present करना है या इस newspaper reading को बच्चों में इस तरह से develop करना है that the child himself should feel कि okay, this is a break from my curriculum and this is something I look forward to, so I must read it. Then of course, this can be the first इंट्रोडक्शन टू नॉन फिक्शन कंटेंट. ठीक है, अब क्या हो रहा है कि नॉर्मली योर चाइल्ड इज रीडिंग थिंग्स इन द स्कूल and then you might be also indulging in some storytelling to your children, maybe some classics at the early age, Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella, those types of stories, or maybe Indian versions of moral stories, Panchatantra, all of that. So storytelling, I feel that most of the parents are bringing it to children. But at some point of time, your child will be required to read extra content which is non-fiction. ठीक है, not the story part, but उसके अलावा बाकी चीजें. Now, the newspaper can be the first introduction, the first step towards that. कि non-fiction books जैसे बाद में आप पढ़ोगे, कोई आप international relations पे book पढ़ेगा बच्चा, या फिर economy पे कोई book पढ़ेगा, but उसकी शुरुआत, उसकी बिगिनिंग जो है नॉन फिक्शन कंटेंट की, वो हमारी यहाँ न्यूज़पेपर से हो सकती है, राइट? सो यू डू योर स्टोरी, यू डू योर रीडिंग कंटेंट, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स this could be one more adjunct to that whole system happening. And then of course recognition with pictures. This is the most lucrative thing for children. So a lot of times, particularly when they're just starting off and जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, for them it could just be going through the newspaper could just mean that they are watching, they are recognizing pictures. तो वो सिर्फ वो पेज टर्न कर रहे हैं न्यूज़पेपर के और पिक्चर्स देख रहे हैं. पिक्टोरल मेमोरी इज एक्चुअली स्ट्रॉन्गर, पिक्टोरल मेमोरी इज more prevalent, and it's easier for everybody to use pictorial memory. So pictures are very impactful. और एक इंटरेस्ट क्रिएशन की जहाँ पे बात है, या जहाँ पे रीडिंग एबिलिटी अपनी इतनी अभी डेवलप नहीं है, वहाँ पे पिक्चर्स कैन प्ले सो मच रोल. सो पिक्चर्स हैं जहाँ पे भी, चाहे वो एक कार्टून बना है या कुछ भी, जो भी ऐसी पिक्चर्स हैं, और मे बी जस्ट रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ फेसेस, right? Like you might have taught your child that okay, Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India, but if the child is going through the newspaper, तो वो हर रोज उनको देख रहा है, he's seeing pictures, he'll start recognizing those people. Okay, who is the president, who is the prime minister, or maybe if it's Olympics has happened, though, which person has won medals. With picture, those kind of recognition and identification can also be developed, which of course will be useful in various aspects of life. Now, as we have discussed the role of newspaper, one specific aspect which I want to discuss here is development of cognitive skills. रीडिंग के को हम कॉग्निशन से कैसे एसोसिएट कर सकते हैं? यू कैन सी सम ऑफ दीज एस्पेक्ट्स. perceiving, reasoning, evaluating. Then you have judging, learning, and remembering. Now, not at first will all of these steps be developed. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि बच्चे ने perceive कर लिया, फिर reason भी बना लिया, evaluate भी कर लिया, and then he can judge and learn and also remember. All these things perfectly will not happen. In fact, let's leave the children aside. Anybody who goes, reads a newspaper, all of this will not develop at once, but this is something which will happen gradually. And a little bit of each of these things will be there. कुछ perception होगा, कुछ आप perceive करोगे, कुछ learning होगी उसमें से, कुछ remembering होगी, some things will be remembered, and then of course you will develop some reasoning, some evaluation would be there, some judgment, some opinion. We want children to have their own opinion, to have their own idea. एक individualistic thought process अगर हम develop करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए we have to first train our children to think on those lines, to develop their own reason, to develop their own logics, right? और उसके लिए हमें उन्हें content देना पड़ेगा. वो content जिसे वो अपने हिसाब से perceive करें, अपने हिसाब से understand करें, question करें, analyze करें, and of course, learning is inevitable, that's going to happen. That is a part and parcel of this whole exercise. After talking about cognition, right, that one aspect which we talk about in learning and this developing cognitive skills, newspaper as an aid can be the thing to go. And now let's talk about one practical application also. Newspaper and competitive exams. So we are talking about preparing a certain kind of children, preparing particular skills, developing analytical skills, developing critical thinking, developing different cognition skills. But if you think about practical utility, which is going to happen at a later stage of life, that would be in writing the exams. So once the child has done his basic studies, 12th standard के बाद भी exams देने पड़ते हैं. Then after you do your graduation and you actually need work. So at that time also for higher studies, everywhere there is an exam. And all these exams are competitive exams, children from all over the country. Some exams you are qualifying against the world also. But you sit and you qualify. And the competition in these exams is very, very cutthroat. तो ये एक जो भी exams हैं बड़े बड़े जैसे कि I've listed a few exams. Like you have the civil services examination, then you have Indian economic services, then Indian statistical services, then you have combined defense services, combined medical services, engineering service examination, staff selection commission, various banking posts, and you have CAT. इन सब एग्जाम्स में दो चीजों पे मैं फोकस करना चाहती हूँ. एक तो ये है कि जितने भी एग्जाम्स हैं, if you go around, look at their syllabus, look at the number of seats they release या कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी में हो रही है, तो आप कुछ चीजें ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. एक तो ये कि जो कंपटीशन है वो बहुत सिवियर. जैसे कि 10 लाख स्टूडेंट्स माइट बी अप्लाइंग फॉर 1000 सीट्स, एक वो ट्रेंड है. सो दैट मीन्स योर चाइल्ड हैज टू बी द बेस्ट, एंड to be the best, he has to start early. That's the only way. Otherwise, everybody has access to all those contents. It's what you do extra, what you do specifically at your end, which is going to count. ठीक है. Second thing is कि एक तो हो गया जेनरिक कंटेंट, जो पढ़ा, जो सब्जेक्ट है, जिस टाइप की जॉब है वो होगा. साथ में मोस्ट ऑफ दीज एग्जाम्स विल हैव अ कोशेंट ऑफ जनरल नॉलेज. some current affairs, some general knowledge, it has to be there. वो syllabus में orientation में होता है. And most of these exams, they also have some aspects of mental ability, या फिर जिसको बोलते हैं हम एप्टीट्यूड, ठीक है, ये हमें चाहिए, ठीक है, ये एक रिक्वायरमेंट है. यू हैव टू फाइट द कंपटीशन एंड दीज three things are mostly there with most of these exams. Now, if you have those ideas that, okay, you want your child to be getting that advantage, then you have to start early. And in starting early, newspaper provides you everything. All of these things. Newspaper से आपकी reasoning develop हो रही है, न्यूज़पेपर से आपका एप्टीट्यूड डेवलप हो रहा है, आप सिलेक्टिवली आर्टिकल्स रीड कर रहे हो, आपकी जनरल नॉलेज तो ऑफ कोर्स बढ़ ही रही है, आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रही है, यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम इट, यू आर रिमेंबरिंग थिंग्स एंड यू हैव एन ओवरऑल लेवल ऑफ अवेयरनेस विच इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल. If you start, the later you start it, the more rigorous it becomes. And if there are other people who are already doing this, who are developing this from early stages, then in that sense, आपका competition already बढ़ गया है, right? And in this world, you have to be the best, and for that you have to prepare in the best way possible also. So, the exams and okay, let's just see some of the points. One thing about preparation of any competitive exams is, जैसे कुछ लोग ग्रेजुएशन के लास्ट ईयर में स्टार्ट करते हैं या 12th के बाद जैसे जो हमें एग्जाम्स देने पड़ते हैं, उसमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि एक तो आपका रेगुलर कंटेंट है जो चल रहा है, ठीक है, जैसे आप ग्रेजुएशन में हो या जैसे आप ग्रेजुएशन के बाद कोई एग्जाम देना चाहते हो, आप साथ में प्रिपेयर करना शुरू कर रहे हो. अब उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि आपको एक रेगुलर करिकुलम है जो आपको पढ़ना है, जिसका यूनिवर्सिटी में एग्जाम होगा, प्लस आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ना पड़ेगा, जो भी उस एग्जाम की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो भी उसका एग्जाम का कोर्स है, उसके लिए यू नीड टू गो एक्स्ट्रा. सो दिस इज आवर वे ऑफ टीचिंग चिल्ड्रन टू गो एक्स्ट्रा. ठीक है, आपने एक रूटीन सेट कर दिया कि अगर कुछ टाइम बच्चा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा है तो उसको पता है कि ये न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ रहा हूं, पर ये मेरे पेपर में नहीं आने वाला, राइट? सोशल साइंस के एग्जाम में ये नहीं पूछने वाले. तो एक्स्ट्रा रीडिंग की रूटीन हमें डेवलप करनी. तो आप जैसे बच्चा कंफर्टेबल और जैसे आप रूटीन सेट कर पा रहे हो जितनी जल्दी, तो हम उसको एक ये हैबिट ही बना दें उसकी कि हाँ, तुमको ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ करिकुलम का चीजें पढ़ना है. You will need to read some things additionally also. You will need to do some extra reading. और ये अगर रूटीन एक बच्चे की डेवलप हो गई, ये एक if he has opened his mind to this practice, then that is going to be very, very helpful when he actually goes on to start preparing a competitive exam. ठीक है? दूसरी चीज, अब बच्चों को लेकर there's this again when it comes to competitive exam, that means we are seeking different kinds of careers. So उन careers के लिए there is always a confusion. तो एक आइडियाज तो हमारे ये होते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, okay, this is the acceptable thing, सब लोग ये कर रहे हैं और somebody in the family has done this, so let's do that, right? So that's one idea, that's one way to go about. The second thing is, especially if you want कि your child should be excelling somewhere, so आप उसको डाइवर्स टॉपिक्स के साथ, डाइवर्स इश्यूज के साथ एसोसिएट करवाओगे थ्रू दैट न्यूज़पेपर. इन दिस वे द चाइल्ड आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम विल टेल यू दैट व्हाट इज ही driven towards. There can be a child who could be driven towards culture related news. There could be a child who is driven towards science related news. There could be a child who is more interested towards economic issues which are coming in the newspaper. So that will make sure कि उस बच्चे को अपना इंटरेस्ट क्लियर हो जाए, एंड इन दैट सेंस पेरेंट्स को भी उसका इंटरेस्ट क्लियर हो जाए. And then after that, the child can start working towards it. Maybe read more books on that, more content on that. या फिर when the time comes, right, he has to make a choice, he has to take a subject, say after his 10th standard, he can go on this basis. Because he has already discovered कि हाँ उसको क्या चीज interesting लग रही है. And then, of course, pursuing that would mean a lot of great things are bound to happen for him. After this, solving puzzles build mental abilities. Now all newspapers will have some form of puzzles. ठीक है, वो क्रॉसवर्ड हो सकता है, ठीक है, वो कुछ और जम्बल्ड वर्ड्स भी आते हैं न्यूज़पेपर में, कि कोई भी इस तरह का पजल्स. Some newspapers have special find the words kind of. Different newspapers have different ideas. तो अगर ये भी न्यूज़पेपर का पार्ट ही है, तो इस पजल से भी एक्स्ट्रा जो एक हम बोल सकते हैं शार्पनिंग ऑफ माइंड हमारी है, वो होती है. So solving puzzles would mean that you are building some mental ability. मेंटल एबिलिटी और एप्टीट्यूड वाला जो पोर्शन है, अगेन हमारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड, वो ऐसे मजे मजे में हो जाएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच चिल्ड्रन आर आल्सो गोइंग टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, राइट? सो दैट इज definitely going to happen. And then general knowledge is updated, of course. This goes without saying. In a lot of schools we have general knowledge as a subject also, but again we don't go very in depth into that. Some places में नहीं है, curriculum का part भी नहीं है. तो जो हमारे करिकुलम में और इन एग्जाम्स की रिक्वायरमेंट में जो एक गैप है जनरल नॉलेज का, वो न्यूज़पेपर से पूरा होगा. There's no better way, there's no other way. If you think you know, there are sources like the television or maybe YouTube or something like that, तो उसकी भी एक limitation है, because you will not want a lot of exposure of that content for your child, because it's going to stress out their eyes, and it's again usme censorship is also an issue, that what all things do you want your child to be exposed to. So the better way out and the easier way out is कि आप जनरल नॉलेज जो है वो उसकी अपडेशन, उसका जो गैप है हमारे करिकुलम में, हमारी बेसिक बुक्स में, दैट कैन बी डेवलप्ड विद द reading of newspaper. Now the question is, somebody has asked a question, at which age should children start reading newspaper or learning about current news? There are different aspects to be considered here. Okay, पहली चीज तो ये है कि let's talk about the aspect of age. See, एज जो है वो एज सच कोई फिक्स रिकमेंडेशन नहीं हो सकता कि हाँ इस एज पे स्टार्ट करे. वेन एवर योर चाइल्ड इज एबल टू हैव सम बेसिक व्हाट शुड आई से language he has years learned, right? And when he is able to maybe read smaller sentences, that would be a good time to start with the newspaper. पर साथ के साथ ये भी है कि even younger children, maybe you know those children who are in kindergarten, they can be given the newspaper, और वो उस sense में even when they don't read anything, they can just look at the pictures. See, parents will have to sit with their child and be involved in this process. So first of all तो ये है कि parents also need to develop this habit कि हम वो newspaper पढ़ रहे हैं, because child learns nothing better than imitation, right? That's the way children learn most of the times. तो उस case में if your child is not still comfortable with reading, right? You don't want him to read, तो आप उसको बोलिए कि newspaper खोलिए, आप खोलिए newspaper, and then it should be ki, just look at the pictures, and maybe you can explain a bit about the pictures. Like I told you, simple example ki this is your Prime Minister Narendra Modi, or this is your President, or this is the Chief Minister of your state, like that. उस तरह से आप associate उसको कर सकते हो. We don't want कि इसका pressure नहीं बनाना कि आपको याद करवाना है, but we expect कि passively वो जो बच्चे हैं वो passively उसको learn करते रहे, right? After a point of time, when the child is slightly comfortable in reading, right, maybe class 3, class 4, उस stage पे, so then also obviously we don't want कि the child reads the whole newspaper. आप उसको headlines तक ला सकते हो कि हाँ ठीक है आप headlines पढ़ो, या किसी बच्चे को स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है, उसको बोलो स्पोर्ट्स की हेडलाइन पढ़, या देखिए तूने मैच देखा था कल आईपीएल का, तो उसकी हेडलाइन जो भी होगी कि हाँ मुंबई इंडियंस विन और लूज और व्हाटएवर दैट इज, उस तरह से आप उसका इंटरेस्ट डेवलप कर सकते हो. एंड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम the articles which you think are relevant, those can be made to read, right? आप भी रीडिंग कर सकते हो, right? The child can just be listening. That can also be done. If the child is at a stage where he understands, ठीक है, उसको समझ पूरा आ रहा है, if you read it out to him, but he's not comfortable reading himself or herself, तो listening से start कर सकते हो. Right? But there is no early age for this. There is no saying कि हाँ कौन सी age से जरूर हम वो करें, because this we are not instilling as a mandatory activity. ये भी important है, parents have to understand कि ऐसा नहीं है कि this is not something which they are forcing. That's why the earlier you start the better it is, क्योंकि वो gradually अपने आप उसका interest बनेगा. अगर आप उसको रोज इस habit में डाल दो कि हाँ रोज तुमको न्यूज़पेपर लेकर बैठना है, या आप न्यूज़पेपर लेकर बैठ रहे हो, the child is coming with you, then it will happen gradually. Now however he is comfortable, you can go about it, right? And there is not going to be a stage where will you really expect कि हाँ वो पूरा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़े, right? 20 पेज का न्यूज़पेपर एक टाइम में एक गो में, that will not be possible. So cursory readings just going through. इसीलिए आपका selection of newspaper and the choice of articles is going to be very important, particularly for younger children. Children, you know, above the age of 10 years, उनके लिए फिर भी it's a little easier. But newspaper, आप जैसे हमारे national dailies हैं, all your English newspapers, that's I think mostly standard for most people around the country. You would like to read one of these. तो जो भी newspaper आप पढ़ रहे हो, आपके घर में आ रहा है, आपकी routine है, आप उससे start करिए. Student को, there is always also the option of going through the regional newspapers also. Okay, so you have, again, if your child is comfortable reading in a regional language, या फिर if you think कि listening का एक aspect है, उसको सुन सकता है, वो news समझ सकता है, and you are yourself reading any of these newspapers, so you can read out from that also. But it is very important कि आप articles select करो. एज से ज्यादा the importance है selection of content की. See, all kinds of news are not suitable for your children, right? You know that. You more say, matlab, as parents, this is also your job, right? That we have news for maybe crime or some political drama, which obviously is no utility for anybody in that sense, right? To be reading that. So इसके लिए parents की discretion जो है वो जरूरी है, right? Regional newspapers के साथ usually यही problem है that a lot of them do not have very what should I say, content which can sometimes be a little insensitive for children, right? In terms of local crime activities or any such things. तो उस वे में जो कि हमारे daily English newspapers हैं, they kind of fare a little bit better. But again, उसमें you will need to be a little cautious of selection of content. Now, a solution to this selection of content or to developing ideas from the newspapers could be if you are making your child read a children's newspaper. So any children's newspaper, if it is available to you, like we have Student Edge also, or something like this, that will already have curated content. The idea is कि आपके पास वही है, न्यूज़पेपर है, सब वही उसी तरह से पेजेस हैं, पॉलिटिक्स, इकोनॉमी, देन सोसाइटी, ज्योग्राफी, कल्चर, वो सब एस्पेक्ट्स कवर्ड हैं. लेकिन दो एडवांटेज यहाँ पे जो हैं, if you are reading a children's newspaper, I feel they would be there. First is कि लैंग्वेज इज सिंपल. जो भी न्यूज़पेपर डिजाइन्स होते हैं उसमें रीडेबिलिटी पे बहुत फोकस किया जाता है. They are made in a way that they are readable for the children. So that means you have simple language, right? जो कि easier है बच्चों के समझने के लिए. In your national daily, there could be one person like Shashi Tharoor who would have written the article जो आपको भी समझने में दिक्कत होगी, तो बच्चे की तो खैर नंबर देर से आएगा वो समझ पाने में. But yes, readability factor is there, and then of course there is suitability of content. That what are the things which a child will find relevant, which the child will find interesting, and which you want your child to know. So that's an easy way to induct your child towards newspaper reading. And the other thing is कि they will have more pictures, which of course are a good incentive for children to read. And yes, the other thing which children like is something being colorful. So the black and white newspaper might be a little difficult for you to sell and for you to endorse to your child. So any when it is a children's newspaper which has been specifically written for different age groups, then that could be that advantage कि जो आपको वो करनी है, मेहनत करनी है आइडेंटिफिकेशन में या फिर एक हैबिट इंस्टिल करने में. नाउ दिस विल वेरी फॉर चिल्ड्रन टू चिल्ड्रन. सम चिल्ड्रन माइट फाइंड देमसेल्व्स कंफर्टेबल विद द नॉर्मल न्यूज़पेपर आल्सो, अदर्स माइट नीड अ पुश. तो उसके लिए अकॉर्डिंगली आप अपने बच्चों के साथ डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट्स ट्राई कर सकते हो कि आपको क्या सही लग रहा है, क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. इज इट द इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर और रीजनल न्यूज़पेपर और कोई चिल्ड्रंस न्यूज़पेपर है, उसमें से क्या सूटेबिलिटी बन रही है डिपेंडिंग ऑन ऑल द फैक्टर्स जो हमने डिस्कस किए हैं यहाँ पे, क्या क्या एस्पेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, वो सब चीजें ध्यान में रखते हुए द आइडिया इज दैट यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस, राइट. और एक्चुअल लर्निंग या रिमेम्बरिंग ऑफ फैक्ट्स, आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स जो कि 6th standard and above हैं, उनके लिए it becomes more easier to grasp all these things. तो उस stage पे जैसे somebody has mentioned about learning of current news, तो जो learning of news है उस वाला वो part या remembering this, जैसे ये article है इसमें mentioned है G7 summit. तो G7 क्या है exactly, ये उस तरह के students जो हैं वो इसको समझ सकते हैं, इसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. The other thing can be कि there are a lot of competitions which happen for students. I mean, other than their routine process or the school exam, there are a lot of Olympiads also, right? तो इस तरह के कोई भी जो competitions हैं वो एडिशनली भी जो है स्टूडेंट उसमें भी अगर पार्टिसिपेट करेगा, सो दिस इट विल बी हेल्पफुल इफ ही हैज सम आइडिया अबाउट करंट अफेयर्स, राइट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स स्कूल में भी कुछ लेवल करवाते हैं, बट दैट्स नॉट लाइक सफिशिएंट. आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो बच्चों के साथ, इट विल नीड दैट ओके कुछ तो जो स्टूडेंट खुद तो पढ़ ही रहा है, बट साथ के साथ इट विल ऑल्सो नीड कि देयर इज some level of interaction which is also happen. Doing this in isolation or doing anything new, even if it's a hobby which you are trying to develop, चाहे वो boxing कर रहा है आपका बच्चा या painting कर रहा है, कुछ उसको interaction भी चाहिए. ये भी एक important चीज है क्योंकि we are trying to imbibe this in the form of a habit. We want this to be a part of the routine. तो ये जो इंटरैक्शन है ये आप अगर पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो अपने बच्चों के साथ कि हाँ ठीक है, इफ इज रेड अ न्यूज आर्टिकल आप उसके साथ डिस्कस कर सकते हो, और देयर कैन बी अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स और देयर कैन बी एन ऑनलाइन फोरम. कुछ भी इस तरीके से इंटरैक्शन भी चाहिए ताकि जो भी नॉलेज अब्सॉर्ब हो रहा है, जो भी कंटेंट अब्सॉर्ब हो रहा है, उसकी जो है एसिमिलेशन हो रही है, राइट. इट्स नॉट दैट उसको बच्चे के लिए भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये आइसोलेशन में जा रहे हैं। तो आपको साथ में उसको कंटिन्यूअस एक्टिविटी बनाने के लिए, कंटिन्यूअस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लर्निंग बनाने के लिए, यू हैव टू गिव सम फॉर्म ऑफ इंटरैक्शन ऑल्सो, राइट? Shall we prepare the news of what we read in the newspaper, because we may forget what we read at the later stage? Okay, this question somebody has asked. So personally, I don't think there is actually a need for or making notes from the newspaper, because your child is already in school and he has notes and he has content to learn and to give exams. तो अगर आपने notes करके और रिवाइज करके उसको एक एक्टिविटी बना लिया, तो वो फिर थोड़ा सा एंगेजिंग कम और बर्डनस ज्यादा बन जाएगा, यू नो, दैट द स्टूडेंट फील्स कि अब मेरे पास और है एक्स्ट्रा चीजें। तो एक मैंडेशन की तरह आप नोट्स मत बनवाइए, लेकिन व्हाट यू कैन ऑलवेज डू इज दैट लीव दिस टू द चाइल्ड एंड टेल हिम कि आई एम रीडिंग दैट एंड टेल हिम दैट कि जो भी आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, जो भी आपको समझ में आ रहा है या अच्छा लग रहा है, मे बी इट कुड बी अ पिक्चर और एन आर्टिकल, देन गिव हिम अ स्क्रैप बुक काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, राइट? हम लर्निंग पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं इसमें, आप ये अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए बात। वी आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द चाइल्ड मेमोराइजिंग फैक्ट्स, वी आर ट्राइंग टू फोकस ऑन द आइडिया कि उसको चीजें समझ आने शुरू हो, उसको एनालाइज करना है, उसकी थिंकिंग इवॉल्व हो। सो द चाइल्ड कैन हैव अ स्क्रैप बुक, राइट? एंड यू कैन से कि हाँ, आपको जो आर्टिकल अच्छा लग रहा है, आपको जो पिक्चर अच्छी लग रही है, अब वो जो पिक्चर है वो विराट कोहली की भी हो सकती है, राइट? तो यू कैन एनकरेज कि आप इसको वो करो, उसमें पेस्ट कर लो, यू कैन कट इट फ्रॉम द न्यूज़पेपर, यू कैन पेस्ट इट, और मे बी सम एनिमल विच ही फाइंड्स इंटरेस्टिंग कि हाँ ठीक है, वेस्टर्न घाट्स में कोई फ्रॉग स्पीशीज डिस्कवर हुई है एंड योर चाइल्ड फाइंड्स इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, ठीक है, तो आप उसको बोल सकते हो कि वो कलेक्ट कर ले। मे बी ओवर द इयर्स ही ओनली कलेक्ट्स फ्रॉग पिक्चर्स एंड दैट कुड बी वन स्पेसिफिक हॉबी which he evolves to have, right? So not exactly note making, but yes, definitely in terms of having to treasure this activity which he is doing, you can always encourage him कि आपको कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप उसको काट कर रख सकते हो, and then the child can go through that at his own leisure time, right? But let's not make this exercise a burden. आप जैसे आपने बात की है कि the child may forget it at a later stage, so those things will come again, right? This is a routine. The newspaper is going to be a continuous exercise which you have to develop over a long period of time, and you have to continue doing that. ठीक है ना? तो वो चीजें आएंगी, दोबारा आएंगी, वो facts दोबारा आएंगे, so that is fine, right? We are not making the child sit and be tested on that, but we want to focus more on developing his thought process and developing this as a matter of routine, ताकि जब actually उसको जरूरत है, जब actually he has to go into that process of working through current affairs, तो उसके पास sufficient background होगा, right? पूरा नहीं भी, that's why I went through that cognition diagram, कि partially सब चीजें होंगी, but it will happen over a period of time. Okay? So this is the end of my presentation. अगर कुछ और questions हैं हमारे पास तो हम वो भी देख सकते हैं. And this is Donald Duck breaking his chair reading the newspaper. So you can also find your chair and get started, and let's hope your chair does not break. So newspaper reading, I'll just like to summarize and speak about it one more time, that this is something which we need to inculcate as a habit. It is the storehouse of knowledge. It is the storehouse of every information on all the subject. You are exposing your child in this way to different topics, developing his reasoning, developing his analysis, developing the kind of knowledge which he has. The knowledge which is a gap from what he is learning. He's learning a curriculum, but he needs to be aware of more things around him. He needs to be having better ideas about what's happening into the world. And then what is going to happen is that the child can be prepared with all the things which he would need in the real exam, all the things which he would need once he's going into competitive exam, right? And वो competitive exams की तैयारी जहां आपको 10 लाख लोगों को पीछे छोड़ना है, that has to start early, right? And we are also doing this initiative जो हमारा newspaper है Student Edge, right? जो मैंने आपसे अभी दिखाया भी था. So this is a monthly newspaper. This you can get this subscription. You can go to our website. आपके पास screen पे भी details आते रहेंगे. And you can get a free digital copy also, just to get an idea about how the newspaper has been designed or what's going on here. So what happens is कि हम ये जो न्यूज़पेपर है इसको उसी तरह से जैसे स्टैंडर्ड न्यूज़पेपर होता है उसके डिफरेंट पेजेस के हिसाब से हम डिवाइड करते हैं. वी हैव पॉलिटी, वी हैव मॉरल एजुकेशन, वी हैव थिंग्स जो बच्चों के लिए स्पेसिफिकली मोटिवेशनल हो सकती है. मोटिवेशन पेज है, स्पोर्ट्स का पेज है, इकोनॉमिक्स का पेज है. एंड वी यूज अ स्पेसिफिक सिस्टम. हमारे पास स्पेसिफिक सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइन हैं जिसमें भी मेक श्योर कि इसकी रीडेबिलिटी लेवल जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कंड्यूसिव है, राइट? And at the end of each article, we give special power words also. कि अगर कोई difficult words हैं या जो जिन words पे student को focus करना चाहिए, उनके meanings भी जो हैं इसमें दिए जाते हैं, right? And हम monthly compilation करते हैं, right? We are not तो 20 पेज का जो हमारा 24 पेज का न्यूज़पेपर होता है उसमें the thing is कि पूरे मंथ का जो न्यूज है, जो इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज आइटम्स हैं वो कंपाइल्ड होती, राइट? एंड रिटन इन दैट सिंपल लैंग्वेज इन अ कलरफुल पैटर्न विद अ लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स विद स्टूडेंट्स विल लाइक. एंड वी गिव सम एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो अलॉन्ग विद दिस. तो हर उसके बाद टॉपिक के बाद वी गिव डिफरेंट वर्कशीट्स ताकि स्टूडेंट्स को एक एंगेजिंग मोटिवेशन रहे. कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम ऐसे लिखते हैं कि विच शुड इनकरेज फ्री थिंकिंग एंड गेट आइडियाज फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स, जो कि ऐसे कोई स्टैंडर्ड नॉलेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस नहीं है बट कॉन्सेप्चुअल और फिलोसफिकल आइडियाज, जैसे कि व्हाट विल यू डू इफ यू मीट एन एलियन, राइट? और व्हाट विल यू डू इफ यू बिकम इमॉर्टल. ठीक है, इस तरह के आइडियाज वी जस्ट वांट टू इंस्टिल एंड सी कि व्हाट चिल्ड्रन आर थिंकिंग and get their ideas triggered. Or something like if the news is on Independence Day, and maybe something like what do you think will happen in India after 25 years, things like that. तो वो पूरा process है. We encourage students to write the answers, send us the worksheets, and then we mark them and give prizes also. That's a whole deal. Somebody has asked about the math solution concepts in the Student Edge. So we are not exactly giving you all the solutions there, because then we want the students to solve and send us the worksheet, right? अगर उसी में solution भी आपको साथ ही में दे दिया तो फिर बच्चे से solve करवा के कैसे हम उसको लेंगे, राइट? बाकी किसी को भी स्टूडेंट एज को लेके कोई स्पेसिफिक कंसर्न है, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉल. आवर नंबर्स आर देयर, आवर वेबसाइट इज देयर, एंड you'll have the details on your page on this video also right now. So उससे आप कंसल्ट कर सकते हो further. ठीक है? So I hope you find this session helpful. I hope we have been able to trigger some insight and some interest for all of you in the idea of reading newspapers, and with this hope that more and more children read the newspaper, I would like to conclude the session. Thank you all for being my audience today, And I wish all the best to all the parents and the children who are listening to me. Thank you.
Well, friends, I hope you have got to know why we call newspaper as a storehouse of knowledge and how it contributes in shaping the kids' life. Now I would like to tell you about our newspaper Student Edge, which is specially designed for the children of all age groups. This newspaper is designed by the team of IIT and IIM alumni, which helps the kids to get ready for the various competitions. Student Edge has the dedicated pages for science, history, geography, moral science, computer, lifestyle, books and movies, state news, world news, competition and scholarship, etc. And it includes the worksheets also to practice for kids, which will automatically get your kids ready for competition. So make your kids future ready with Student Edge newspaper. Please download our free digital copy and take the annual or monthly subscription of newspaper. Please log into our website www.studentedge.in to subscribe and download it. Thank you friends, and as of now, and we look forward for your such participations in future sessions too. Good evening and take care.